Is this considered a mukbang because I'm eating a cookie?
A what?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my channel.
I didn't know you were filming.
I'm filming now, so. I'm really irritated. Like, really irritated right now. And I hate Birchbox. And I'm finna tell you why. Right now after I eat this cookie. So I think this can be classified as a rant, event, and a mukbang or mukbang or whatever. All in one. And I'm finna tell you how much I hate Birchbox. And why I hate them. I got some real tea for you guys. Real tea. Okay, glam dolls. Cookie time is over. No more mukbang, whatever you call it. I hope you guys are fabulous today. I am. Because the weekend's here. Yeah, yeah. And if you live in Clovis, California like I do, you know it's a special time of the year. It is rodeo time. So I'm finna go to the rodeo and get my cowgirl on, dust off my boots, and boot scoot and boogie. Yay. So I come from this little hick town in California. Well, we're not really hicks. I think everybody here is just wannabe hicks. They want to be hicks so bad. Because, to be honest, there's no real cowboys in California. It's just not possible. Let's just be real here for a minute. But we live in this little area that used to be country many years ago. It is all tract homes and suburbia, but they still hold on to their wannabe cowboy roots, and I totally dig it. I love dusting out my little shit kickers and my Wranglers and, you know, getting my cowgirl on. So I'm finna go do that. But before I turn my cowgirl on, I have a very, very heated rant vent that I want to talk about. You may have guessed it because I just said it like a couple minutes ago. I hate, and I mean I hate Birchbox. They are the worst subscription box in the entire world ever. Okay? Let me tell you what they did to me. This is a little story time. So, about 1 year ago, almost 1 year exactly, in May it will be 1 year. Okay? I stopped getting Birchbox. Now let me explain something really quick. For my subscription boxes and for my kids' PlayStation and Xbox Live, because they have both, and for iTunes, I went and bought one of those little prepaid cards, okay? So that way, my stuff can come off of there and not mess with my bank account, okay? Because I don't like auto draft shit just coming out of my bank account. I don't like people just having access like that. So, to me, that's a free-for-all, and that's how hacking happens and all that stuff. So, I have this little prepaid card, okay? Little prepaid Visa. I have all my stuff set up on that. I go deposit the money on it, so that way it gets taken out, okay? Okay, that's the little backstory. So, normally with any sub box, if you don't have money in the account, they don't send you a box, okay? And after like a month or two, they completely unsubscribe you. Not Birchbox. No. No, no, no. And not only do they not unsubscribe you, they continuously, week after week after week after week, try to pull money out of your account. Here's how I know this. It has been 1 year, you guys. 1 year. Now, I had everything going on one card. I ended up losing that card. And I ended up getting another card, okay? Well, I ended up finding said card, but I never used it anymore because I had this other card and I was happy using that one. Well, I forgot that this card was also linked to my PayPal. Well, I ended up getting a refund from one of the retailers who scammed me, and I ended up getting that money sent back to me, and I wanted it to go to my bank account, but when I hit for it to send the funds to my bank account, it actually sent my funds to the card that I used to use for all my retailers or my online sub boxes and stuff. So there was only like $20 something on there. It wasn't a lot of money, so I wasn't really concerned with it. It was only on there for like 2 days, okay? It'd been 2 days, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go buy lunch. I have this money on here. I'm gonna go get lunch. And I go to check the balance, and there was like $9 on there. And I'm like, why is there 9 when there was like 20 bucks on there? Why is there 9? I see a charge on March 14th. Was it March 14th? Or no, it was April 14th for Birchbox. Okay. April 14th for Birchbox. Normally, subscription boxes draft the beginning of the month. Okay. That means for the past year that I have not gotten Birchbox because I don't like them. I hate their stupid ass box. All they send, and this box just reminded me why I don't like them, because I just got it in today and it reminded me why I don't like them. It's the same crap over and over. They will send you an eyeliner, a mascara, and 3 dry shampoos pretty much. Like, or 4 dry shampoos and like a mascara or a lipstick or a chapstick. It's not even good shit they send you. It's horrible. Horrible. Which is why they feel the need to go up inside people's bank accounts a year after they stop using them. Okay, so if you have Birchbox, you need to call them and make sure it's like really canceled, because that's what I ended up having to do. So I see this charge from them and I'm like, oh, hell no. Hell no. That means every freaking week for the past almost year, Birchbox has been trying to draft my account. That is stupid. That is exactly why I don't have this shit linked to my actual bank account, because I don't want these companies like this, especially when I don't like them anymore, to still have my bank account information. That's ridiculous. So I really hate this company. And I already hated them because they sent me whack shit to begin with. But now I really hate this company. And I advise all like 692 subscribers or 93 subscribers of mine to not get Birchbox. They suck, okay? Suck. Absolutely suck, and they will steal your money. So if you thought you canceled them, you better call them and make sure that they are canceled, because I had to basically do that. Just that. And it is canceled for sure. So if I ever see another charge from Birchbox again, and as a matter of fact, they sent me an email today telling me that my picks for May, I can go ahead and make my sample choices, which box I want. And I'm like, bitch, I fucking just unsubscribed. I don't want your stupid ass box. Birchbox, I hate you. You are harder to break up with than my psycho ex-boyfriend, okay? Like, ugh! I really hate them. I really, really hate Birchbox. But since we got it, might as well do a freaking unboxing. Ugh. So here's the stupid ass box that I got. It says yes, but I'm really saying no. I'm not excited about this. And guess what? It's the same stupid ass box that they normally send, full of hair care and mascara. Okay? So here's the box. It's actually, their boxes are kind of cute, but for $10 with Ipsy, I actually get things that I like, and I get a cute makeup bag with it. With BoxyCharm, I pay $10 more. I get full-size high-end stuff. With Birchbox, I get crap and a shoe box, basically. So it says, feed your mind, body, and soul. Well, I hate them. So I don't care what they have to say. Let's just see the crappy shit that I got. First thing I got is this Polly Pocket size chapstick. It is literally Polly Pocket size. It is smaller than my thumb. It is smaller than my pinky, you guys. Reason number 1,000,000, I hate them. And there it is. It is a see-through chapstick, basically. They said that this was supposed to be for your cheeks, but there's no color. There's no color to this. By the way, those are swatches of eyeliners I bought in store today. But it's a chapstick. Polly Pocket size. So that's stupid. Very stupid. It's by Jane Iredale, whoever the hell that is. Iredale Just Kissed Lip and Cheek Stain. There's no color payoff. I would not put that on my cheek. And my cheeks are so fat, this whole thing would be used up just right here. Whack. And just like I said, another eyeliner. It's the Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. So another eyeliner pen, and this is definitely not skinny. This is actually quite thick. There is nothing skinny about this, even though Ico is not bad. This is no shade to any of these brands, by the way. No shade. I just really, really hate Birchbox, you guys. No shade to the brands. This is in pitch black. So if I'm not seeming very enthused, it's not the brand's fault, you guys. It's the stupid Birchbox's fault. Next thing I got was already something that I've received from Birchbox in the past. And I only got them for a few months and before I decided I hated them and didn't want them anymore. And guess what? This is now what, my 5th box, and I've already got a repeat from them. It is the Briogeo, I think that's how you say, Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protectant Cream, which I actually do like this cream, but I have very thick hair, so this is going to definitely be used up in like one freaking trial. So there's that. But see, here's the thing too. The difference between Birchbox and Ipsy is in Ipsy, I at least get 2 full-size products. In Birchbox, it's all samples. Birchbox sucks, you guys. The next thing I got was this Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. It's an exfoliating cleanser. Yay. Can't have enough of these. The next thing I got, the only thing in this whole box that I'm actually semi-okay with and semi-excited to try is a mascara, because guess what? All they do is send you sample size mascaras. And it's the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara that I've actually been wanting to try. So it's supposed to be a 36-hour full blast mascara. And it's supposed to make your eyelashes 90% bigger. I already have eyelash mascara and eyelashes on right now, so I can't try it on, but there's the brush. And normally I don't like Benefit. I actually am probably one of the few people that hates Benefit mascaras, but this one, the bristles actually look a lot softer than the Yes They're Real mascara, so I will be willing to try this. That's the only thing in this whole box is a sample little mascara that I'm willing to try. So that was my whole box, you guys. That's everything. That's what I got. Nothing exciting. Nothing to see here. And this is my last box ever from Birchbox. If I ever see another charge on there, so help me God, customer service is going to hear it from me. They will know me up in that office. They will know Desi Glam Life. Let me tell you. Ugh. So, if you get BoxyCharm, or Birchbox, do yourself a favor. Cancel it. You don't want it. I promise. They're like the annoying ex that doesn't go away. They're like my stalker. They're like a freaking leech. They're like a tick that just sucks on your bank account and gives you nothing in return. Ugh. So irritated. But that's all I have for you guys. Sorry it's such a negative Nancy video today, but they just really, really irritated me. And I was so irritated when I got that bank charge, and getting the actual box today just brought up all those feelings again, you guys. It brought all the feelers up. So I just had to vent. Okay. I'm going to go now and enjoy the rest of my weekend and go get my cowgirl self on. Go cowgirl up, you know. So I'll see y'all on Wednesday. All right, guys. Love you all. Mean it. Bye.